All right, what is up everyone? Today I am going to make some chocolate covered cuties. I am Coach Grace with Svelte and I am excited to dig into this recipe with you guys. For this recipe, all you need are 2 ingredients. That's it, just 2. We have Cuties right here, and then we have some dark chocolate in here, which I have melted in this mug. So the Cuties are super easy to peel, which makes this recipe even easier. If you want to use strawberries or apples or pineapple, you can use any fruit you want. This is super easy. So I've peeled some of the Cuties here, and then the dark chocolate, I use the baking chips. So if you buy dark chocolate, just plain, it's not gonna really melt the same. The candy bar won't melt the same as it would if you buy the actual baking chips. So the dark chocolate baking chips, you're going to take your dark chocolate, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, I take it out, I stir it, and then I put it in the microwave again for another 30 seconds, make sure it's stirred, because otherwise the top will get a little bit burnt and then it'll have a not good flavor and the texture won't be good for dipping the chocolate. So make sure you take it out and stir it each time until it is nice and fluid and liquidy and you don't have any chunks in there. If you want, secret hack, you can put a little bit of coconut oil in with the chocolate and it'll help mix even better. But that's just if you want to add that, that's optional, you don't have to do that. So if you want to submerge your chocolate, you could dip it all the way in and get a nice little half-covered clementine here. Clementine and cutie are the same thing, just so you guys know. Clementines are actually a hybrid of mandarin and sweet oranges, and they're super easy to peel, so people always recommend them for if you have kids or grandkids. They're great for a snack. They have a lot of fiber and potassium in them and vitamin C. All the white parts on the outside of the orange, that is super fibrous, so they're a great snack, great for vitamin C. So I'm just gonna load up this tray here, and we're gonna put all of the Cuties on here so that we can chill them and put them in the fridge so that they are ready to eat. Another thing, the dark chocolate is super good for you. It has a lot of minerals like magnesium and zinc, and it actually comes from a tree. So it is technically a vegetable, not really, but it grows on a tree from the cacao bean, and dark chocolate, preferably dark chocolate, not milk chocolate, is a lot better for you. So that is why I'm dipping these guys in some dark chocolate. So we are almost loaded up here, and my chocolate is still nice and melty. If you want at the end, you can even do a little drizzle on top of the entire sheet and give them a little extra chocolate. We'll do one more. And then we're gonna do one little drizzle just for fun across that plate. So, yummy, yummy. All right, so we are going to put them in the fridge to chill for an hour, and then we're gonna pull them out and check on them once the chocolate has hardened. All right, so these are all ready to go. It's only been 30 minutes and they're already chilled. If you wanna completely chill them so they have a nice crunchy, crispy chocolate shell on the outside, you can chill them for an hour, but they should be hardened after 30 minutes. So these are ready to eat, all done. You don't have to do anything else. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's super easy. You guys should try it at home. And if you want, check out the other recipes because we have some other awesome recipes for you guys. And I will see you in the next one.